Welcome to Tech Insight Pro. Recently, tech giant Apple released their iPhone 14 series with most brand new features. Today, I am introducing some brand new feature for you. Let's start it.
First, Dynamic Island. Apple turning its Dynamic Island, a field-shaped space on top of the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max that hide the selfie camera and display animated widgets into a full-fledged feature. Second, 48 megapixel camera. Finally, Apple introduced 48 megapixel camera on their Pro models with 65% larger sensor and additional 2x telephoto lens. Third, action mode. Action mode create a stabilized video for you. Feature number 4, crash detection. Crash detection mode is most important. It's automatically called on SOS when car crashed. Number 5, satellite connectivity. Finally, Apple created satellite connectivity on their phone. And always on display. iPhone 14 Pro Max and 14 Pro have always on display, and it's colorful. iPhone 14 and 14 Plus price $799 and $899. iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max $999 and $1099. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe.